What's up guys, Greg with Pizzle's Tech Time, back again with another video, and today we're going to be talking about the Whitestone dome. So I've been using Whitestone dome products for years. They were nice enough to send it out to me. My name's Greg with Pizzle's Tech Time. We're going to take a look at the installation of this product. And the number one thing that you're going to want to remember, you need to do this on a level surface. You need to take your time and watch an installation video to make sure you have all the parts. You want to make sure you follow the directions. It's really not difficult. Once you see how everything comes together, it's really easy. So we're going to take a look at this product. I'm going to show you how I installed it. Then I'll come back and I'll give you guys my final thoughts. Before we start the installation, guys, nobody's perfect. I'm a tech reviewer, but I'm just a tech consumer. I've always been pretty good with tech. By any means, I am not a professional. I just do this for fun. So you guys can do the same thing. You should never feel like you're not smart enough or it's a learning curve. You should always want to learn and improve, and that's what this channel is all about. Let's get down and install this bad boy. Okay guys, we are here in front of everything you're going to need to set up your Whitestone dome. We have the glass itself, we have the new weight system, some dust removing stickers, we have the phone enclosement, we have the pull tab, we have the speaker cover sticker, and we have the holder for the pull tab, we have a cleaning cloth, a wet wipe to clean your phone really nice, we have the glue stick, we have stickers that are going to go on the sides and top of your phone to protect it. And this is also extra protection. If any glue seeps over the side, it will collect that wet glue. You've got the tray for the glue. And then, of course, we have the UV light. So now we're going to make sure that we clean the phone really well. If anywhere that it's going to be touching, you want to clean it really, really well. You want to wipe as much as necessary to get anything that's on there off. And kind of use like a sweeping motion to get any dust and debris off. It goes this way. You see the S22 Ultra logo on top there. You're going to press it in, make sure it's in there good. Take the dust removing stickers. And if you see any dust, you want to remove it. You do not want any dust. Having cats, it becomes quite difficult to get these types of things right. And I checked to make sure it was level, but I actually did not put the stickers on the phone. Basically, you just take these little black stickers. I like to peel the big one off first, so you're just handling the small part over the ports here. Okay, so now we got that covered up. So the next step is going to be to cover the speaker, and it'll actually fit right here. So it'll be a perfect fit. And you just press your finger there so that it covers just the speaker. And then you're going to take this, and this little tab is going to go here. Gotcha. And this is where the pull tab is going to come in. It's going to go right there. Before you put the bridge on and put the glue on, you can give it, one last look. Now we're going to take this pink glue stick, and they nicely label that. I'm going to do it away from the phone. You're going to open the top like so, and then you're going to place it in this thing just like that. And I'm going to get my glass ready. So now what you're going to want to do is open the actual glue. Okay. And you want to just give it a couple seconds to make sure all the glue comes out. You're going to want to remove the whole bridge. Okay, so you're going to peel this off the bottom of the glass like so. And now you're going to put this here in between this like so. I'm going to put that all the way down. So now what you're going to do is you're going to put the weight there like so. You need to press in the middle here. And when the glue gets in that circle, you're going to want to hit go. So now you're going to press this and get your finger ready for the tab. And you're just going to pull it now. And see that weight is pressing it down. And what it's going to do is it's going to make sure the glue spreads evenly. This is the part where you hope and pray. Usually the weight works pretty well. So now you're going to wait for that glue to spread and that weight to disperse everything properly. And I would say it takes about 30 seconds to a minute. So then what you're gonna do is grab it by this handle right here, nice and easily, pick it up, and then pull it away. In order to cure it, I'm gonna use a battery just because that's easier for me. We are gonna do 15 seconds on the top, 15 seconds on the middle, and 15 seconds on the bottom. So one last one of 15 seconds right here while it's in this actual enclosure. And that's going to seal it enough so you can actually take it out. And see, that wasn't that bad, guys. It's all about having the level table. So now you're going to be able to take it out of this actual enclosure. Okay. Oh, looks like we did have a little bit of glue up at the top there, which is fine. Take your finger where you're going to use the fingerprint sensor and hold it down there for 60 seconds or so. I don't really have an issue with this, but you know, the video says to do it. So, and I will credit that guy. I'll put a link for his channel in the description, guys. So now in order to fully finish the cure, you're going to press it twice and it should go on for 60 seconds. And you're going to do 60 seconds at the top and 60 seconds at the bottom. And what you're going to want to do is remove the tape now. And you can see a little glue does get there. So these stickers definitely do protect the device and they are a great addition. Now I do see a little glue at the bottom here, which will be wiped away with this wipe. So what I'm gonna do is take an alcohol wipe and I'm just gonna wipe the screen. I'm not gonna get a lot of alcohol on the sides because that'll weaken the device there. Just wanna get any excess glue away from the sides of the phone, but you do not wanna weaken it. I'm going to dry it with this microfiber cloth here. And do your best to get most of the glue off. The Whitestone dome is on the phone and it looks great. Definitely the best looking screen protector I think that money can buy. And as you can see, there is a little cutout for the speaker as well as the camera. Really the weak points are going to be around the bezel, and that's with any glass protector. If you catch it right on the bezel or right on the curve, it will crack. This is what the phone looks like in the case that Whitestone sent. It looks very nice because you could still see the graphic white. And there's the Whitestone dome camera protector, which almost gives it the one-piece look as like Samsung used to do it, and it's raised the cameras a little bit to protect them. So now this phone is all set, guys. We've got the Whitestone dome. We took a look at the Whitestone dome screen protector for the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and Whitestone really thinks of everything. You got stickers to protect all your buttons and ports. Now they give you 2 of everything, so you really don't have to worry, guys. I feel better about using the phone with this on it because I know the phone's protected. The glass feels smooth. I know that I don't have to worry. I don't have to baby the screen. And it really gives you peace of mind, guys. So I really enjoy using the Whitestone dome on my new device. And once it's a year or 2 old, maybe I'll go bareback, no screen protector. I did that with my 20. But I was really just hated that phone so much, so I was kind of probably hoping that it broke. As long as you follow the instructions, just watch a couple videos, check your parts on the video and make sure you have everything. Do it slowly, take your time. You're not going to have any issues, guys. Whitestone has a great product here, and if you reach out to them with any issues, I'm sure they'll help you out in any way that they can, guys. They were nice enough to send me these products so I could make this video for you guys. So definitely help support them. I'll put links for their products in the description down below. No tech reviewer or any person is ever perfect. No company is ever perfect. I make mistakes just like everybody else. Honestly, I couldn't be happier with the way that this phone looks right now. The camera protector is from Whitestone as well. The case is from Whitestone. And it really just looks amazing, guys. I really love it. I think the white balance might be off because of the Elden Ring logo in the background. I'm really loving playing Elden Ring. As you can probably tell, it's my screensaver for everything now. Probably the best game I've ever played. And if this is your first time seeing me, Greg, with Pizzles Tech Time, definitely hit the subscribe button because it greatly helps me out. And then I can work with more companies, get sponsorships, make better videos, and we can do it together. You can follow me on this journey, guys. Thank you so much, Whitestone, for sending this out to me. Any questions or comments, just ask. There's not really much more for me to say about this, guys. So until next week, I'm out. Peace. You're a little peachy, huh? You're a little peachy, Lulu. But yeah, this is Lulu. You'll probably remember her from my display video. My display video's at 350,000 views almost, so that's pretty awesome, and it's all thanks to you guys and Lulu.